who this is. This is, look. Hey guys, it's Olivia. Welcome back to another video. So I'm gonna get straight into it. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I design and then put up my collage wall. And the collage wall is actually gonna go on the back wall over there. You can't see it, but obviously I'm gonna move the camera so you guys see everything I do. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for post notifications, and let's get into it. So my goal was to have a really cohesive look for all the photos, to make it look like it flows and to not have any super bright or obvious colors that just don't blend in with the rest of the wall. So what I'm doing is I'm filtering all of my photos using a Lightroom filter, and I actually explain how I do this in the video that I made last week. Make sure you go watch that to figure out exactly how I'm filtering the photos. So the photos themselves are actually a mix of photos that I've taken, like photos of my friends and other stuff in my life, and then the other half of the photos I got off of Pinterest. And I absolutely love Pinterest because they have such cute aesthetic photos that I'm gonna use. This is something I got off Pinterest, and it's gonna be used as one of the photos in the wall. The next thing I want to talk about is sizing of the photos. You guys have probably heard of the Tezza collage wall, and basically that's what this collage wall is inspired by. But the Tezza collage wall is 8.5 by 11 photos, and that's the standard size of a piece of paper. So I just thought that that would be the best size to make my photos in my collage wall. So yeah, all the photos are 8.5 by 11. I know some people do 4 by 6, but I just thought that would not be as cute, I guess. I don't know. Also, something that I totally forgot to mention was that I'm printing all of my photos on cardstock. I want it to be super durable, and I want the photo wall to last for a long time, so that's kind of my reasoning for doing that. And then another thing I forgot to mention was that to actually put the photos up, I'm using the Scotch mounting squares, hopefully. I really hope they stay up with this because
I don't have another solution if they don't.
So I only have 3 photos printed out. It's
this one, and this one.
So I'm gonna go print out the rest of the photos that I want.
A few minutes later.
So I printed out all of the photos. I'm super happy with the way they printed. It's actually really good quality.
Was not expecting it to be this good quality,
but I love them. So one really annoying thing about my printer is that it prints with this white border thing. It doesn't go all the way to the edge, which is literally so annoying. But I'm gonna cut out the white parts so that they look better on the wall.
This is actually so annoying.
Instead.
Many hours later.
Okay, so I cut out all of these pictures. Oh my god, it literally took me
2 hours to do this.
It took me 2 hours to cut out these pictures. Also, I changed, sorry. I went outside to cut out the pictures because it's really nice out. But yeah, who this is, look, it's my baby. Anyway, so now that the pictures are cut out, I can actually put them on the wall. Okay, I look like an actual mess right now, but we are halfway done with the photo collage, and I'm gonna go eat dinner. It's literally been 3 hours.
Kind of a problem.
But I'm gonna eat dinner, and then I will finish the other half of the collage. Okay, so you just saw how I finished the collage. It's actually the next morning because it got to be so late last night that I didn't have time to finish everything that I wanted. But here is the collage. I think it looks so good. I'm so excited about it. But the last thing I'm actually gonna do is I have these little fairy light things that I got from
Home Depot.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the fairy lights on the photo wall to sort of make it light up and make it, I guess, really cute and, I don't know, just enhance the photos a little bit. But I'm really excited, so here's me doing that. Okay, so the first side is all done. Oh my god, I'm literally obsessed with the way it looks. It's so cool. It looks like it's sparkling. Okay, so now I'm gonna go move on and do the other side. Okay guys, so that is officially the end of the photo collage project and it's done, and I literally am obsessed with the way it turned out. I think it looks so good. I cleaned my room a little bit for the project to show you guys, but I love it so much. I really hope you love it as well. Okay guys, so I was having a few issues with airdropping with my phone, so I decided to film the outro part to this video on photo booth, so that's why there's hearts coming out of my head. That is basically everything for this video. Just a quick reminder about some of the supplies I used. So all of my photos were 8.5 by 11s, but they ended up being a tiny bit smaller because I cut off the little white strips on the edges. And to filter all of my photos, I used my Lightroom filter, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, please make sure to go watch my last video. I explain everything. The Lightroom filter just helps to make the photos and the whole collage wall look just a little bit more aesthetic and cohesive, and it turned out really nice. To actually put the photos on the wall, I used the Scotch mounting squares, and those were really helpful and good, so I definitely recommend those. And for the fairy lights that I put on top of the photos, I got those from IKEA, so I can try and link them in the description box down below if that is something that you guys would be interested in. Kiera and I have received so much support lately, and it truly means the world to both of us. Thank you guys for your continued liking and commenting. We're hoping to grow even more and to continue to produce amazing content for you guys that you guys really want to watch. Please remember to stay safe, social distance. I love you all. I hope you're doing well. Bye!